Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen for a product review today. Now I want to tell you a little story about jerky and me. When I was a meat eater, I didn't like jerky. I didn't care if it was turkey jerky, chicken jerky, beef jerky. It all was nasty to me. It was too salty, it was too hard, and when he asked me about this other jerky, I thought, I don't know. And he said, Mom, just give it a try. So I thought, okay, tell the people, yeah, send some. So they sent us some of their jerky, and I tried it. It's made from mushrooms, and it is so good that it took me out of the arena of hating jerky and into the arena of really enjoying it. Guys, I'm telling you, troopers, you got to try this stuff. It is really good. So far, I've used it on a grilled cheese sandwich, and really that's it besides eating it just plain. It is so tasty, and it's not hard. I wrote down some adjectives I wanted to tell you about. It's chewy. It has just the right amount of chew. And there's a variety that they make. It's spicy. It's not real spicy, but just a gentle spicy. It's very, very good. And then it has lasting flavor. So all while you're chewing it, you're getting this nice chew and you're getting this wonderful flavor. What you need to know is the 3 packages that they sent. In order for me to do this review, we had to go and order our own because I ate them up. And so I needed something to show you and to have for the review. So we had to order another package, other packages, okay? Also, I want to tell you that my daughter, who doesn't like mushrooms, really enjoyed this product. And you're saying, okay, Berta, okay, so what is the product? Okay, here we go. It's called MOKU. You can get it from their website. We'll put a link below. It's MOKU, and this is one of my favorites. This is the original, okay? And I can't even describe it. It's really, it's so chewy, so delicious. This is the bag they sent us, and as you can see, it's empty. So we bought some more. So I'm gonna open this and put some more on here so you can see them. Guys, if you ate the whole bag, you would be getting 170 calories and it would be 7 grams of fat. But it is salty, not real salty though, but it does have a saltiness to it. So I just wanted to put a few more on here so you could see. I think the next place I want to use it is on pizza, but it's good. Okay, next, there are 2 more flavors. This one is called sweet and spicy. If you like a little spice, and you wouldn't mind trying it with a little bit of sweetness, this would be the one for you. This is really good. You don't get the spice until after you've chewed for a while, and then you get this kickback of a little bit of spice will come and hit your tongue. But it's just enough. It's not overpowering. You won't be grabbing your throat and running for milk. You'll just chew it and enjoy it, okay? Last variety is called Hawaiian Teriyaki. You probably wonder why they made a Hawaiian Teriyaki. Is because the founder was raised in Hawaii. And there's a little bit of sweetness in there, but it's very, very good too. I don't know. I like them all. It's like my mind is going through the things I could put in, and you could probably do it in a brown rice stir fry, or with some quinoa and vegetables. You could chop them up and put them on the top of it, stir it up, and then as you start to eat it, you'll get a burst of this flavor from these. So we've got Hawaiian Teriyaki, we've got sweet and spicy, and we've got the original. All chewy, delicious, with a lasting flavor. I am so glad that my son said, oh, Mom, let's just try it. With my history of hating jerky, it was erased completely, totally and completely erased. I'm gonna buy another box because I really like this stuff, okay? This product is only available on their website, and we will put the link below. And if you will use the code that they gave us, which is Berta15, you'll get 15% off of whatever you buy. But keep in mind, it is on Amazon, but our code doesn't work there, okay? So in order to get the 15% off, you have to go to their website. And I think it's well worth it to give it a try. Okay? Now, I don't think I could actually eat a whole packet of this at one sitting. What I did when I ate so much of it, and we had to buy more, is I just took a couple of pieces during the day. And then I'd come back and get another few, and then another few, until the bag was gone. So it wasn't a continuous thing, but the flavor is so, and there has to be another word, tantalizing, wonderful, stupendous, marvelous, awesome, great. It's all of those things. Give this MOKU a try. I think you'll like it. Okay? So that's the end of my product review. And, one last thing I did learn. It has a shelf life of 8 months. Lasts for a long time. So if you like it and you can't figure out what to do with it, it'll stay around for a while. Okay? And so until next time, when I will be doing a recipe, I promise. I think. So anyway, so until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to try these and then let me know what you think when you get it. Okay? So until next time, bye for now.